Hello friends. Welcome to T Academy. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం పంచాయత్ సెక్రటరీ గ్రేడ్ 6 లేదా డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ గ్రామ వార్డు సచివాలయం ఒక గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్ చూడబోతున్నాం. సో ఇందులో మనకు క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి 51 నుండి 150 వరకు క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మనకు టెక్నికల్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ అంటే కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ ఇంజనీరింగ్, తర్వాత ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్, కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే, సో ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ సంబంధించిన మిస్టేక్స్ అని కానీ ఏమైనా కరెక్షన్స్ కానీ ఉంటే మీరు మా టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్ జాయిన్ అయ్యి డిస్కస్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ద క్వశ్చన్ హియర్. 51 క్వశ్చన్ హియర్. సో ఇంతకుముందు వీడియోలో మనం ఈ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ సంబంధించినటువంటి టెక్నికల్ పేపర్ కాకుండా జనరల్ స్టడీస్ పేపర్ కూడా డిస్కస్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఓకే, సో వాటిని కూడా మీరు మన ఛానల్లో చూడొచ్చు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ద బెస్ట్ యావరేజ్ బిహేవియర్ ఈజ్ షోన్ బై. ద ఆప్షన్స్ ఆర్ quick sort, med sort, insertion sort, heap sort. Answer will be A. Quick sort here. Okay, let me correct here. Quick sort. Next one. What is the maximum number of ways in which the Boolean expression with n plus 1 terms can be parenthesized such that the output is true? Okay, so nth Cartesian number n factorial n cube n square. It is A. Nth Cartesian number. Next one. Which of the following bitwise operation will you use to set a particular bit to 1? Okay, it is OR gate. But because most of the times except 0 0 the output of the OR gate will be 1 only. Okay, next one. Which is the predefined method available in Java to convert decimal to binary numbers? Okay, the options are to binary integer int, to binary value int, to binary number int, to binary string int. So it is D here. Next one. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a computer? Diligence, IQ, accuracy, versatility. Okay, so it is IQ. Next one. Which of the following is not disadvantageous to the usage of array? Fixed size, you know the size of the array prior to allocation. Insertion based on position. Accessing elements at specified positions. Okay, it is accessing elements in a specified positions. Okay, next one. Let me choose here. Okay, 57th question here. Non-erasable disk that stores digitalized audio information is. It is CD, CD-ROM, DVD-R, DVD-RW. So it is CD. Next one, 58 question. The first practical form of random access memory was. SSEM options: cathode ray tube, Williams tube, and the Thomson tube. It is Williams tube here. Next, we'll move to the 59th question of this video here. Now, you have to sort a list 1 consisting of stored list followed by a few random elements. Which of the following sorting methods would you especially suitable for such a task? Options are bubble sort, selection sort, quick sort, insertion sort. The answer is quick sort. Next one, filling the blank in the diagram. So arithmetic and logic unit, central processing unit. The options are input unit, memory unit, control unit, and input or output unit. So C will be the correct answer for this question. Next one. SQL is dash. It is relational or network, IMS, hierarchical. So 61 question, the answer is it's a relational. Next one. If the decomposition is able to represent all the facts about the relation, then such a decomposition is called lossless decomposition, lossy decomposition, insecure decomposition, and secure decomposition. So it is, the answer is A. lossless decomposition. Next one, next question here. The heart of processor which performs many different operations. Arithmetic and logic unit, motherboard, central control unit, memory. Okay, the right option is arithmetic and logic unit. Next one, the ALU gives the output of the operations, and the output is stored in the memory devices, registers, flags, and the output. The correct answer will be registers. Next one, what is responsible for creating a process from a program? OS, web, internet, and firewall. The answer will be operating system, OS. Next one, the technique that increases the system's productivity: multi-programming, multitasking, multiprocessing, single processing. The answer will be multi-programming. Next one, memory organization in which users write the programs in modules with the different characteristics. The options are physical, logical, structural, and the simple. The answer will be logical. Next one, an executing program process must be loaded entirely in a main memory. What kind of a memory organization this is this? Physical, logical, structural, simple? It is simple. Next one, 69th question. FTP stands for File Text Protocol, File Transfer Protocol, Film Transfer Protocol, File Transfer Protocol. So answer will be B, File Transfer Protocol. Next one, what is the important steps followed when the recovery from a failure happens? So post repairing integration with the main system should be happen smoothly and gracefully. Upon the link failure, both the parties at the end must not allowed. Fault recovery system must be adjusted. Failures of the logged systematically. The answer for this question is post repairing integration with the main system should happen smoothly and gracefully. Next one. Next question here. So which of the following describes the correct format of an input instruction? IN82, input 82, INP82, 82, INP. The answer for this question is IN82. Okay. Next question here. 72 question. The VDU stands for. It is virtual display unit, visual display unit, virtual detection unit, usual detection. So the answer for this question is the visual display unit. Okay. Next one question here. Dash is a straightforward method of representing positive and negative numbers. Radix, complement, sign magnitude, encode. So answer is sign magnitude. Next one. Express the decimal format of the signed binary number 10010 base 7 here. Okay. So it's not 7 here, mistake here. Okay, options are 2, 12, minus 12, 2. 74th question, it is D. Next one. A transmission that generally involves dedicated circuits: simplex, half duplex, full duplex, semi duplex. So answer is simplex. Next one. A transmission mode that transmits the data in both the directions but transmits only in one direction at a time. The options are simplex, half duplex, full duplex, and a semi duplex. Sorry. So answer will be half duplex. Next one. Which of the following isn't level of abstraction? Physical, logical, user view. So answer is user. Next. 1 yottabyte is 1024 TB, 1024 EB, 1024 ZB, 1024 PB. So answer is 1024 ZB. Next one. If you are given a word of size n bits, the range of 7's complement of the binary numbers is, okay. So minus 2 for n plus 1 2 plus 2 for n plus 1 minus 2 for n minus 1 2 plus 2 for n minus 1 minus 2 for n minus 1 2 plus 2 for n plus 1, and d minus 2 for n minus 1 2 plus 2 for n minus 1 minus 1 here. Okay, so the answer for this question is D. Next one. What does SVGA stands for? The SVGA stands for the Super Video Graphic Array. Option D. Next, convert the binary number equivalent to 10101 to its decimal equivalent. Okay. Options are 21, 12, 22, 31. It is 21. Next one. Which of the following is not a binary number? So double one, 101, double one E, and D 000. So 82, double one E. Okay. Next, we'll move to the question 83rd here. Which of the following is a correct representation of a binary number? The options are 124 base 2, 1110, 110 square, and 000 base 2 here. So answer for the 83rd question, it will be D here. Next one. The value of the base in the decimal number system is dash H 2 C 10 D 16. The answer will be C 10. Next one. So convert 110 base 2 to convert it to base 10 here. The options are 4, 5, 6, 9. That is answer is C. Next one. When logic gates are connected to form a gating or logic network, it is called as dash circuit, combination circuit, sequential circuit, systematic, and hardwired. Answer is combinational circuit. Next one. The universal gate that can be used to implement any Boolean expression is dash NAND gate, XOR gate, OR gate, AND gate. The answer is NAND gate. Next one. The gate which is called an inverter is called okay. So options are NOR, NAND, XOR, NOT. The answer is NOT gate. Next one. The expression of an XOR gate is A dash B plus AB dash, AB plus A dash B dash, A plus A dot B, A dash plus B dash. So answer is A dash B plus AB dash. Answer A. Next one. The gates required to build a half adder are XOR gate and a NOR gate, XOR gate and OR gate, XOR gate and AND gate, XOR gate and AND gate here. Okay, so these two XOR and XOR here. Okay, 19th question. The answer is C. XOR gate and NAND gate. Next one. The following box denotes decision, initiation, initialization, input or output. Okay, so it is decision. Next one. A box that represent two different conditions: rectangle, diamond, circle, parallelogram. It is diamond. Next one. Which input values will cause an AND logic gate to produce a high output? At least one input is high, at least one input is low. All the inputs are high, all the inputs are low. It is all the inputs are high. Next question. Next one. A detailed flowchart is called stack, macro, micro, union. It is C. Micro. Next one. Which of the following is not a advantage of a flowchart? Better communication, efficient coding, systematic testing, improper documentation. It is improper documentation is the right answer. Next one. Which of the following pairs are similar? Class and object, class and structure, structure and object, structure and functions. It is class and structure. Next one. Which among the following is it false or false for class structure? So classes may or may not be have the both the data members and the member functions. Class definition must be ended with a colon. Class can have any member functions with a no data members. Class is similar to union and structures. Okay. The answer will be the class's definition must be ended with a colon. Next one. Instance of which type of classes can't be created? Anonymous class, nested class, parent class, abstract class. It is abstract class. Next one. Exclusive OR logic gates can be constructed from which from what other logic gates? OR gate only, AND gate and not gate, AND gate, OR gate and not gates, OR gate and not gate. So answer is AND gates, OR gates and not gates. Next one, the basic logic gate whose output is an complement of the input in the OR gate, AND gate, inverter gate and XOR gate. So it is inverter gate. Inverter is nothing but not gate. Next one, what is the maximum data capacity for a optical fiber cables? Okay, so it is 100 Mbps, 10 Mbps, 100 Mbps, 1000 Mbps, 10,000 Mbps. Answer will be 1000 Mbps. Next one, which of the following architecture uses CSMA or CD access method? ArcNet, Ethernet, router, and STP server. So it is 102 Ethernet. Next one, which of this is not a guided media? Fiber optical cable, coaxial cable, wireless LAN, copper wire. So it is wireless LAN. Next question. UTP is commonly used in DSL, FTTP, HTTP, none of the mentioned above. So it is DSL. Next one. The coaxial cable contains of dash concrete concentric copper conductors. Options are A1, B2, C3, D4. The answer is B, 2. Next one. The network layers protocol of internet is Ethernet, Internet Protocol, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, none of the mentioned above. Okay, the answer is Internet Protocol. Next one. The user diagram protocol is called as connectionless because all UDP packets are treated independently by the transport layer. It sends data as a stream of related packets. It received in the same order as sent order. D. None of the mentioned above. So answer will be A. All UDP packets treated independently by transport layer. Next one. Transmission control protocol is connection oriented protocol, uses a three-way handshake to establish a connection, receives the data from the application as a single string, all the mentioned above. So answer is all mentioned above here. Next one, the first network is CNNET, NSFNET, ASAPNET, ARPANET. Okay, the answer will be ARPANET. Next one. The dash is a physical path over which the message travels. A path, medium, protocol, route. Answer will be medium. Next one. The wireless network is extended service set is a set of connected basic server assets, all the stations, all the access points, none of the above. So answer will be connected basic services set. Next one. The mostly dash is used in a wireless LAN. Time division multiplexing, orthogonal frequency division multiplexing, space division multiplexing, none of the above. So answer will be orthogonal frequency division multiplexing. Okay. So we'll move to the starting page. Okay, right. Next question here, 113. Which is the what is the what is the one advantage of the following up DMS with the two firewalls? Okay, you can control where traffic goes in three networks. You can do stateful packet filtering. You can do load balancing. Answer will be you can do load balancing. Next one. What tells a firewall how to reassemble a data stream that has been divided into packets? The source routing feature, the number in that headers, identification field, the destination IP address, the header checksum field in the packet header. So answer is the source routing feature. Next one. Attack in which a user creates a pocket that appears to be something else. Smearing, Trojan, emailing bombing, and spoofing. So answer is spoofing. Next one. An attack in which the user receives the unwanted amount of emails. Smurfing, denial of service, emailing bombing, and ping storm. So it is emailing bombing. Next one, the and function can be used to dash and the or function can be used as a dash. Okay, so options are enable, disable, enable, synchronize, energize, detect, invert. So answer is enable and disable. Next one, after performing the dash, the ethical hacker should never disclose the client information to the other parties. Hacking, cracking, penetration, testing, exploiting. Answer is penetration testing. Next one. Which one of the following computer network is built on the top of the another network? Is prior network, chief network, prime network, overlay network? The answer is overlay network. Next one. A circuit is given here. In the circuit, you need to find the mesh currents here. I1, I2, I3. You need to calculate here. Okay. So the answer for this question is mesh currents are 2 amperes, 1 ampere, and 0.57 amperes. But in examination point of view, they won't ask that much difficult questions, but it is similar to that. Okay. And here is a network is given. Okay. So find the Z11, Z12, Z13. The image is not visible. Just leave this question here. Move to next question here. Okay. 122nd question. By how much is the rotor and the turbine runner and the hydraulic thrusting requirements more than the dead weight of the rotating masses? Answers are thrice, twice, by 4 times, by 8 times. So answer will be B. Next one. The integrated circuits are classified as large, small, medium, very large, small, linear, linear, digital, non-linear, digital. So answer is linear and digital. Next one. 124th question here. Determine the optical power of a RAPD with a photocurrent of 0.396 IA and a responsivity of 0.49 amperes per watt. Okay, so 124th question, it is option is 0.80 microwatts. Next one. Compute the multiplication factor of a RAPD with an output current of 10 IA and a photocurrent of 0.3691 IA. So 25.32, 27.100, 43, 22.22. So answer for this question is 22.2. Next one. Determine the output current of a RAPD having a multiplication factor of 39 and a photocurrent of 0.4691 IA. Okay. So answer for this question is 18.29. Next one. Compute the photocurrent of a rapid having a multiplication factor of 36.12 and the output current of 12 microamperes. So these are the same questions belongs to same topic also. Okay. So answer will be 0.01 microamperes. Next one. The NTSC stands for the options are National Television System Committee, National Television Security Committee, National Television Systems Council, National Television Security Council. So answer will be National Television System Committee. Okay, we'll move to the starting of this page. for the question number 129 here. Okay, so as some of you suggested, go through in the sequence manner. That's why I'm doing like this. Okay. Next 129 question number. If the selectivity is a poor, then the receiver has a poor sensitivity, diverse reception, blocking, fielding. So it is blocking. Next one. In a FM carrier division determined by frequency, modulation, amplitude, phase. It is modulation. What material is made use of for the lamination in the current transformer? Cold rolled steels, hot rolled steels, copper, hot iron. So it is hot rolled steels. Next one. What is the core strength and the shaft length of a 500 megawatt turbo alternator? So it is 5 meters, 12 meters, 6 meters, 15 meters, 3 meters, 10 meters, 4 meters, 13 meters. So answer will be A. Next one. Which of the following correct formula for the braking torque in plugging? Okay, so n into ka square by rb, n square into ka square by rb, n power minus 1 into ka square by rb, ka square divided by rb here. So answer will be A, n into ka square by rb. Next one. How is the turbo alternators driven by? Water turbines, steam turbines, engine driven generators, compensators. Okay, so they are steam turbines. Next one. If an unbalanced supply is fed to an induction motor, it will cause excessive heating of rotor, stator, rotor shaft, all of the mentioned above. So it is rotor. Next one. What is the range of the length of the thick rolled steels used in the rotor design of the hydrogenators? Okay, 130 to 180 meters, 120 to 180 meters, 150 to 180 meters, 160 to 190 meters. Answer will be 120 to 180 millimeters. According to the IC fabrication process, logic families can be divided into two broad categories: RTL and TTL, STL and MOS, ECL and DTL, and bipolar and MOS. So answer will be bipolar and MOS. Next one. What is the speed of engine driven generators? 1000 to 100 to 1000 rpm, 5000 rpm, 1500 rpm, 3000 rpm. So answer will be 1500 rpm. Next one. Which of the following is not an advantage of hydroelectric power plants? No fuel requirement, low running cost, continuous power sources, no standby losses. So it is continuous power source. Next one. Okay, 140 question here. Which of the following statement is true about the hydraulic power plant? Hydraulic power plants are multi-purpose. Due to non-uniform flow of water frequency, control in such plants is very difficult. Hydraulic power plants has a high running cost. Water is used as a fuel in hydroelectric power plants. So true about, which is not true about the hydroelectric power plants. So answer is hydroelectric power plants are multi-purpose. Next one. Next one, a single phase motor is connected to 400 watts electricity supply. The motor draws a current of 31.7 amperes at a power factor of 0.7 lag. Capacitance required to parallel with the motor to raise the power factor to 0.14 lag in microfarads is 94.62, 282.81, 108.24, 46.87. So answer is A, 94.62. Okay, but this problem solving requires calculator, but you may not be able to find this question in examination point of view. Okay, next one. The leakage current through the shunt admittance is maximum at sending, maximum at receiving, uniform over the length, maximum at the center. The leakage current through the shunt admittance is, so answer will be maximum at the sending end. Understand here. Next one. The MOS family includes PMOS and NMOS, CMOS and NMOS, PMOS, NMOS, CMOS, EMOS, NMOS and PMOS. So 143rd question, answer is C. So PMOS, NMOS and CMOS, okay, CMOS. Next one, induction motor can be handled current up to dash. So below 10 amperes, 10 amperes, 50 amperes, 100 amperes. So it is D, 100 amperes. Induction meter. Okay, next one. Which of the following effect is used in AC ammeters? Electromagnetic effect, electrostatic effect, chemical effect, magnetic effect. So answer will be electromagnetic effect. Next one. Who invented the first digital voltmeter? Edward Lowry Norton, Andrew Key, Joseph Henry, Nicholas Tesla. So it is Andrew Key. Which of the following can be a range of input impedance of a voltmeter? Very less than 1 ohm, between 1 ohm and 10 ohms, very high, unpredictable. So 1.7 is very high. Next one. What is a protocol? What is a potential transformer? Transformer used and DC ammeter. Transformer used with the AC voltmeter. Transformer used with the DC ammeter. Transformer used with AC voltmeter. So answer is transformer used with an AC voltmeter. CT and PT used for measuring low currents voltages, measuring very high, very low current and voltages, measuring high current and voltages, measuring intermediate currents and voltages. So 149 answer will be measuring high current for CT and high voltage for PT. Next one, the primary winding of a CT has a large number of turns, no turns at all, intermediate number of turns, a few turns. So answer will be D, a few turns only. So thank you friends, that's it for this session. I will upload few more papers of this model paper uh, in the next few days. Okay. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Have a nice day. For doubt solving sessions, please discuss the questions which you are having doubt in the Telegram channel. Have you?